Hey guys, B Twice here. Today is Wednesday, June 23rd, and we're going to do some Elliott wave theory analysis on Etsy. Etsy looks like it's bottomed, it's consolidating, and it's working on a move up. Um, so pretty much any pullback I'm thinking here is a good buy. So I figured we'd go through the wave theory analysis of this. Um, so what I'm saying is that since the IPO, we had a five-wave impulse up to a five. Back where we peaked, which was what I'm calling a blue wave one, and then obviously we were in a downtrend. I'm calling the bottom that we saw back right around last earnings. I'm calling that the bottom. So let's dive in and take a look at this. Okay, so we pulled down for a W, went up for an X, and came down for a Y. So this whole structure is a complex correction. It's usually multiple corrections put together, like you could have a zigzag, so you'd have a five-wave impulse down, which is what we had here. Then it looks like we had a five-wave impulse up. Um, a lot of times these complex corrections can get pretty intense actually going through and counting the entire thing. So a quick way just to kind of figure out where your three wave could have bottomed is you take an extension from your peak down to the very first extreme, so what you call W, and then you extend it off of your next peak, and then you look for the 100% or the 123.6% extension. So we actually bottomed back here at the 100%. We still technically could go lower, but now that we're seeing this extremely bullish breakout, I don't think we will. I'm pretty sure that we did catch bottom back here. So I'm calling the bottom um, with this level at 154. So since we found that bottom, um, we started consolidating right around this support zone. We're right above this trend line that went back to right around the IPO time. So all this stuff is good support. We've popped up for one, we've pulled back for two, and now we're in this wave three. And this wave three is going to take us to 198 price target. From there, we should see a pullback back to the mid 180s, and then from there we should ultimately be going up to the 206, 205 range. So I'm thinking any pullback on the stock is a buy. We were in this running triangle as we were consolidating, and we were able to break out of it 2 days ago. And since then, we've completely rallied. So I do think here in the next upcoming days, we should see some resistance when we hit this downtrend line, and we should bounce off of it. When we bounce off it and we're pulling back, I think any pullback from that trend line is going to be a buy. And ultimately, what's going to end up happening is it's going to catch support somewhere in this mid 170 range, and then it's going to rally from there up to 200. So if we can get an entry around 175, 177, I think those are gift buys. And from there, I think we could be hitting this 200 range probably by mid-July. Um, no later than before earnings. So if you're playing options, maybe buy yourself some time. But either way, I do think Etsy's a good buy right now. I think that this is extremely bullish. And let's see if we can get a good entry on this. All right, guys, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit like and subscribe.